Hello dear students and welcome back to your own channel. Now in this video we will start exercise 4.3 question number 6 onward. Okay, so we will start quickly. We can start question number 6. So what is question number 6? Very first you have studied in science. What you have studied? Work done is equals to force into displacements. Have you read? So one more thing, have you read? You have read that whenever something is proportional to, work done is proportional to distance. So whenever we remove the proportionality sign, when we remove the proportionality sign, always one constant comes, and this constant is force into displacement, and this force is always constant. That means 5 है so it will remain 5. If it is 6 so it will be 6. It is 7 so it is 7. So force is always constant. So same thing we have to do in this question. Okay, so what we will do, see, if the work done by a body on application of constant force, if the work done on a body on application of constant force, okay, constant is given to you, is directly proportional to distance traveled by a body. So work done is directly proportional to distance traveled by a body. So very first I am writing work done is directly proportional to distance traveled by a body. So I will remove this proportionality sign and one constant force will come F into D. Okay, so this thing is given to you. Okay, now we will just read the next statement. Express this in the form of equation in two variables. So we have to express it in the form of two variable. Equation in two variable and draw the graph for the same by taking the constant force as 5 unit. So we have to take the constant force as 5 unit. Let us take the work done is x and this is y. Distance traveled is y, because in maths we cannot take w and d. We will take work done. So we will write here, let work done is x and distance traveled is y. Okay, so therefore our equation will become x equals to 5y, because the force is constant and it is given to you, it is 5. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to draw the graph, okay, of the C. So we already, a second part, one more part is there that we will do in the next one. So what we have to do in this, we have to draw the graph for this. Everyone knows how to draw the graph. We have to draw the table very first. Okay, as from previous one we are doing regularly this one. X here, y here. Substitute the value. Y is equals to 0. If we will put y equals to 0, what will be the value of x? 5 into 0, 0. So value of x will be 0. Put y is equals to 1. What will be the value of x? 5 is a 5. Put y is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Take one more value for u. For x is equals to, y equals to 2. So 5x equals to 10. Okay. So quickly we can draw the graph for this. So graph, what we'll do, x the value is 0, 5, minus 5 and 10. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And minus also, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You will draw in graph people. Okay, this graph. So it will accurate, will come accurate. And in y, we have 0, 1, minus 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 it is enough. And same way minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 it is enough. Okay. So when x is equals to 0, y is 0. First x is 0, y is 0. This point. When x is 5, y is 1. When x is 5, y is 1. We will get the point here. When x is minus 5, y is minus 1. X is minus 5, y is minus 1. We will get the point here. Okay. When x is 10, y is 2. X is 10, y is 2. We will get the graph point here. So we will join all these points. So we will get a straight line. Okay. So you will get a straight line. You will join this with the help of ruler. Okay. Here I am drawing it like this, but you will join the points with the help of ruler. So this equation, this is the graph, this is the line. So you will make arrow both the side and write the equation x equals to 5y. Okay. So what they are saying, right, very first they ask work done is directly proportional to distance and constant with a constant force y. Give the equation as a linear pair in two variable. Okay, we have already done, and draw the graph for it. Okay, this much we have done. Now what they are saying, also read from the graph से हमें पढ़ना है. Okay, read from the graph the work done. We have to find the work done, x की value. We have to find the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit and 0 unit. So it is given two parts. Work done we have to find when the distance traveled is 2 unit, and second part we have to find again work done when the distance traveled is 0 unit. Okay. Okay. So see here, distance traveled we have denoted by y. So y is, we have given the value of y. We have given the value of y. What is work done? X. We have to find the value of x. Okay. We have to find the value of x. So see from the graph. When work done, when distance y is equals to 2, what is the x value? When y is equals to 2, value of x is, y is equals to 2, the value of x is 10. Draw the perpendicular to the graph like this and draw the perpendicular to the x-axis. Where it will meet x-axis 10. So that means from graph, when y is equals to 2, then x is equals to 10. That means work done is equals to 10 unit. Okay. Okay. So this much is the work done. Same way when y is equals to 0. Y is equals to 0. What is the value of x? यहाँ 0 से x axis से perpendicular draw करो, यहीं पर ही रहेगा. So x is also 0. So therefore x is 0 or work done is 0. Okay. From here also we can easily see when the distance traveled is 0, work done is 0, and when the distance traveled is 2, work done is 10. But we have to show with the help of graph. So you have to draw the perpendicular like this. Okay. It is clear. So do it properly in the graph paper. Now quickly we can move to 7th question. So now what is our 7th question? Let us see. Hope this exercise is very easy. You are feeling very easy. It's easy. So question number 7. Question number 7 is, Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th, together contribute ₹100 towards the Prime Minister refund to help the earthquake victim. तो दोनों ने मिलके कुछ पैसे इकट्ठा किए और कितने मिला के 100. तो I am writing, let Yamini contributed is equals to rupees x, or we can write contributed rupees is equals to x, and same way Fatima. अब ये कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, maybe they both are not equal. Fatima contributed, maybe she has contributed 20 rupees, maybe she has contributed 80 rupees. So x rupees. ठीक है. The first statement one, what they are saying, together they have contributed 100 rupees. So what we can do? According to question, x plus y should be 100, क्योंकि दोनों के पैसे मिला के 100 होने चाहिए. ठीक है. So ये क्या बन गया हमारी linear equation in two variable. Okay. Now what they are saying, write a linear equation which satisfies this data. Already we have written the linear equation. Okay. Okay. And draw the graph for the same. इसके लिए graph बनाना है. So very easy. Find the value of y from here. 100. Send x that side. 100 minus x. Draw the table for this. Okay. So what is the table? X and y. Put the value of x is equals to 0. So 100 minus 0, 100. Same way, put x is equals to 100. So 100 minus 100, 0. Same way, put x is equals to 20. So 100 minus 20, 80. Put x is equals to 50. 100 minus 50, 50. Okay. So easily we can draw the graph for this. So what we'll do? This is x. So x will denote here in x-axis and y will denote in y-axis. See, we want 100, 20, 50. तो अगर 10, 10 का गैप लेंगे तो ये ग्राफ विल कम सो लेंगी. तो वी कैन टेक द गैप ऑफ 20, 20. ओके. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. ये जो होता है ग्राफ पेपर में 1 बॉक्स होते हैं, ठीक है, that you will take like this 80 100, okay, 120 like this. Same way -20, but we don't want minus because we don't have minus, okay. So but we have to write a little bit, -40 up to so on. So there's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and up to so on. So what first one? 0, 100. X is 0, this is 100. First point, 100, 0. X is 100, y is 0. Okay. Second point, x is 20, y is 100. X is 20, y is 80. This one. Same way, x is 50. 50 will come between these two. X at the midpoint. Y is also 50. 50 will come between here. Okay. 40 and 60. So we'll join all these points. So it will come a straight line. Make the arrow both the side. Write the equation x plus y equals to 100. So this is your graph for question number 7. It's clear? Okay. Hope you are feeling that these are very easy question and you are practicing also. So now question number 8 we will start. So let us start question number 8. What is question number 8? Let me read the question. In the continent like USA and Canada, the temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. And whereas India, the temperature is measured in degree Celsius. होता है Canada और USA में temperature कैसे measure होता है? Degree Fahrenheit में. Okay. So now change करने की equation. In science also, in physics also, you will study this equation. You will read this equation. Maybe you have already studied. So let us see. So how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit? We can change from this equation. Okay. So F equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. This is the equation. This is question number 8 we are doing. Okay. So this is the equation by which we can change Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay. The first part of this. So it has 5 parts. First part is draw a graph for the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis. हमें इसके लिए ग्राफ बनाना है, ठीक है, और x एक्सिस पे क्या करना है? डिग्री सेल्सियस, एंड इन y एक्सिस डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट वी हैव टू शो. ओके, we have to graph, we will make right now. Okay, so very first point. So for making the graph, what you have to do, you have to make the table for it. Coordinates you want, okay. Without coordinate you cannot do anything. So now we will draw the table for this. Okay. So what for x-axis? X is degree Celsius. So we will write degree Celsius and y degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So let us substitute the value one by one. यहाँ पर c की जगह पहले 0. You substitute the value 0. So in the place of c 0. C 0. 9 into 0. 9 upon 5 into 0. 0. 0 plus 32. 32. तो f is equals to 32. ठीक है. अब c की value you will substitute such that ये 5 से कट जाए. ठीक है. Otherwise it will come in fraction. So I am substituting the value of C 20. चलो सबसे पहले we will substitute a -20 will put. Okay. So -20 रखेंगे तो 5 4s are 20. See here 9 into -20 upon 5 plus 32. 5 4s are 20. 9 4s are 36. -36 plus 32. कितना आया? When value is -20, so it is coming -4. Okay. Yes. Then second we will just substitute some other value, but value should be in the multiple of 5. Let me put -40. Why I am substituting -40? Because if I put plus, so the number while adding these two it will become very long, okay, big number. So that's why now I am substituting c is equals to -40. So 9 upon 5 into -40 plus 32. 5 8s are 40. 8 9s are 72. -72 plus 32. 0 4 -40. So -40 and it will also come -40. Okay. Same way you can substitute -10 also. So 3 4 coordinates you want. Okay. So I already got 3 coordinates. You can find fourth also, but it can also enough. So now substitute. See I have 0 -20 40. यहाँ नीचे 0 में चाहिए. Upside this is the value. अब 0 में 0 minus 10 minus 40, तो I can take the 5 gap. Okay, so let me take 5 gap. 5, 10. Here I want 30 to 40. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Same way here also. Minus 5, minus 10, then minus 15, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, minus 35, minus 40, and up to so on. Okay, same way in negative also. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, minus 35, minus 40, minus 45, up to so on. In up 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, little bit more, 35, 40, 45, 50, ये degree Fahrenheit and y-axis. Okay, so now see, when now 32 we want. Where is 32? How you will find? So see, let us see from here to here how many columns are there? 10 columns. If you'll see like this, see, yeah, 0 and this is 5. In graph paper you will see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These lines are there. In graph paper these are the lines between one box. Okay, ये 1 centimeter के box के अंदर this is the line. This is the one box in graph paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. So now from here to here, 10 gap of 10 is equals to what we have taken? 5. So gap of 10 we have taken 5. So gap of 1 will be 5 upon 10. That means 0.5. तो 1 का gap 0.5 होगा. Okay. So we can calculate 0.5. इसका मतलब कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक 0.5. तो दो लाइन कितनी हो जाएंगी? 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, ये बीच में 2.5 हो गया, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. Okay. So 1 gap is equals to 1 millimeter is equals to 0.5. Okay. So now look at here. 0, 32. X is 0, Y is 32. 32 आएगा इसके बाद. 32 कितना आ जाएगा? 30 हो गया. दो लाइन 31, दो लाइन 32. तो लगभग ठीक है यहाँ पे. So you will get the point somewhere here. Okay. 0, 32. We'll get some point here. You will put a minute point. Okay. Only dot. Minus 20, minus 4. Minus 20, minus 4. Minus 4 will come here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So minus 4, minus 20, minus 4. You will get point here. Minus 40, minus 40, minus 40, minus 40. You will get some point here. So now join all these points. You will get the graph like this. Okay. It's straight line you will get because it is linear equation. Now you will write the equation. F is equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Okay. This is the first part. You have to draw the graph for this equation. Okay. It is clear. Draw it yourself. Now we will just do the second part. Okay. So let us see the second part of it. What is the second part? See. Second part is, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Degree Celsius में temperature दिया है. What is given to you? Temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. You have to find the temperature in Fahrenheit. इस value में substitute करो. F is equals to 9 upon 5. In the place of C, write 30 because degree Celsius is given to you, plus 32. 5 6 are 30. F is equals to 6 9 are 54 plus 32. So F is equals to 86 degree Fahrenheit. So your second part is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so let us move to third part. So equation was F is equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Okay, third part is, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit. Now this temperature is given 95 degree Fahrenheit. What is the temperature in degree Celsius? You have to find it degree Celsius. Substitute in this value in the place of F. put 95 equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Plus, there are two terms. So, plus 32 you will bring this side. So, 95 minus 32 equals to 9 upon 5 C. So, 3, 6 equals to 9 upon 5 C. Now, this is denominator, it will come in numerator. This is numerator, it will come in denominator. Therefore, C is equals to 63 into 5 upon 9. 9 7s are 63, 5 7s are 35. So, your answer is 35 degree Celsius. Okay. The value of third part is 35 degree Celsius. Now, let us move to fourth part. Only two parts are left, then your exercise will be completed. Okay. So, the fourth part is, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, yes 0 degree Celsius here, okay. If the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Okay. And if the temperature is, if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in degree Celsius? Okay. So you have to find these now. One by one you will substitute. For first this part, A part. Put C is equals to 0. So F is equals to 9 upon 5 into 0 plus 32. So what is the value of F? F is equals to 950, 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, this value. Now B part is, put F is equals to 0. 0 is equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Okay. Bring 32 this side, so therefore 9 upon 5 C equals to minus 32. C is equals to minus 32. Denominator will come in numerator and numerator will go in denominator. Okay. So this value will come in decimal. Okay, because it is not directly cutting the values. So multiply 5 to the 10, carry over 1, 5 to the 15, 116 upon 9. So it will come 9 ones are 9. 10, 7 is left 70, 9 7s are 63, 7 is there, 9 7s are 63, 9 7s are 63. So, or we can write 17 point, round off kar lo, 8 degree Celsius. This is the fourth part of your question. Okay, it is clear? Hope you are just doing in your rough notebook also. Okay, so don't see like this. Do in your rough notebook together with me. Okay, so now question number, last part of this question, 8th question is fifth one. Is there is any temperature which is numerically the same in both the Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. So they are saying कि कोई temperature ऐसा है जो Fahrenheit और Celsius में दोनों में बराबर होता है. अगर है तो ठीक है, find it. It is. So let the same temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius is x. मान लो दोनों में temperature x जो है वो same है. Okay. Put the value of x in both the equation. Therefore, x equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Okay. In the place of C, we have to substitute x. Now, x term together, constant I am bringing this side. So, 9 upon 5x, x this side, minus x equals to 32 को उधर ले आओ, minus 32. Okay. So, take the LCM. So, 5, 9x minus 5x equals to minus 32. So, it will 5 you will bring this side, minus 32 into 5 equals to 4x. Okay. 4 you bring in denominator, so therefore x is equals to minus 32 into 5 divided by 4. 4 8 is 32. So x is equals to minus 5 8 is 40. So minus 40 is the temperature which is same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. So we'll write therefore minus 40 is the temperature which is same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, so this is the exercise is completed. So hope you are practicing with me. Practice and please do like and share the video. Thank you very much for this video. Next video we will do exercise 4.4. So Till then, keep on practicing, so it will make you expert. Okay, till then, keep practicing. Bye bye.